Hello everyone. So today I'm going to talk about what believe in yourself means. So for me, believe in myself means, you know, uh, in my 7 years of journey, I've been hearing a lot of comments that my English is not good. I do not have a rich vocabulary. I stumble. I do not have confidence. I've been hearing a lot in the past or recently. But you know what? What I feel from inside when people say these comments to me, I do not get discouraged because I trust. I have full faith in my English. I have full faith in me. The amount of effort that I have put in, the amount of things I have learnt in these 7 years, I have full faith in myself. I have this confidence of speaking to any people in English, anywhere, maybe in a group as well. Maybe I will fumble or I will hesitate while speaking, but I have this confidence in me that whatever thoughts that I have here, I will be able to express it in English. And that's the only thing you need. You do not need to have a good vocabulary or fancy words in order to show that how good you are in English. If you want to show how good you are in English, you just have to express your thoughts. It does not have to be in a right way. You can make mistakes while expressing your thoughts. You can stammer while speaking, but that does not matter. All you have to do is what is there in your mind, you have to put it out there, and that's the only way you can become better at it. So when I receive negative comments or negative feedback about English, people, there have been many people where people said that you have been learning English for 7 years and you have not become fluent. And I don't give a damn about it. I understand that I am not fluent. I should have been fluent in 7 years, but I am not. But I have this confidence that I will be able to speak English and I can speak English. And that's what matters to me. And that's what believing in myself means. Or so that's what I want to put this message out there. If someone says negative about you or passes bad comments on your video or says anything negative behind your back, then you should not be bothered about that comment, because what matters is what you think from what you think about yourself from inside. That's what actually matters. And yeah, that's what is going to take you ahead in life. So always believe in yourself, irrespective of what people think about you. The negative comment does not matter. If you believe in yourself, people are gonna say you're not good in English. What you have to do in this scenario, you should agree to them. Yes, I'm not good in English. I can't do. I'm just trying to become good in English. That's what you can do. Because if you argue with them, if you tell them that I'm good in English, then there is going to be an argument, and there is no point having an argument with anyone. So it's good that we accept when people pass negative comments about us and we move on. And when we move on, we say to ourselves that yes, it does not matter to me because I am good in English. I can speak English. That's what it matters. So yeah, always believe in yourself. Keep growing, stay consistent, and you will be there where you want to be in life. Thank you.